How to find your message delivery on Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your message delivery on Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and now click on your chat, and all you need to do is scroll down and click on privacy. In the first option, which is message delivery, click on it, and now you have your message delivery. You have friends from on Facebook or other on Facebook, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.